I'm Laura, and this is my husband Matt, and this is our home in Roseland, Burlington.
When we first saw this house, it was really dated. There were walls everywhere. It was really compartmentalized, dark, and it kind of smelled funny.
It was not a house we could move into without a reno.
We wanted it to be open. We wanted to be able to entertain without being hidden behind walls.
Something just very fresh and very neutral and lent well to different changes. And I've always wanted a white house, so this was a great opportunity to do it.
We wanted a lot of storage, some racks for our wine, and the gas appliances are really nice. A lot of counter space so we can prep and not get too cluttered and have to move things around.
The farm sink was on the wish list. It has more of a traditional feel, but I also liked the space that it allows, and it hides a lot of dirty dishes if you're running around in the morning. And then the Kohler taps were a bit of a splurge, but we really loved them, and it felt like a juxtaposition with the farmhouse sink, but sort of more the modern feel of the taps. We wanted a big island that had a lot of storage so that there wasn't a lot of clutter visually in the background with cabinets. We are finding it a bit challenging for all of our stuff, so we're decluttering right now, but we're really happy with how it turned out. At our last house, our dining area was quite small, and so we wanted to make sure that we had the bench built in so that we had the option to add additional storage to it, and then also have a really comfortable area so that we can fit as many people as possible. We wanted something really cozy. I am addicted to pillows, so that was something that I was very focused on. Just wanted something that we could relax in at the end of the day, but also not be embarrassed to entertain people in when they came over. I'll be on mat leave soon, so it's nice to have a bright, airy space to hang out with the baby. We really love the fireplace, so that was an addition to the space that didn't exist before. It's also nice just to have a fireplace, especially in the winter. We ripped out the floors throughout the whole house. We did a whitewashed oak, which we really love. It's a good, sturdy, engineered hardwood. We needed something that could stand up to our sweetheart, Madeline, who's not so easy on floors, and also still look nice and be able to kind of hide little marks.
I think we're both really happy with it. It's open, it's clean, it's inviting and comfortable. So kind of checks all those boxes off.
I think there's still things we'll want to add down the road, things that we can tackle as time goes on.